video tutorial to explain how to use drama activities in the lesson plan. In this video, it is going to be explained how the drama activities are integrated into a drama-based lesson. Target audience and context is B1, class size is 20 to 30, class length is 50 minutes, and the topic is Hercules in ancient history. Warm-up. Magic Palm. Players are divided into pairs. One player in each pair has a magic palm that can hypnotize their partner. The magic palm leads the partner through the space, the owner of the palm constantly watching over their partner. After a couple of minutes, the players switch roles. The exercise can also work with 3 people. That means one person has 2 magic palms. Introduction of topic. Tell students they're going to get some pictures, Appendix 1, in order to predict what the lesson is about. Guess the title of the book. Ask students to prompt some answers. Show a video once through. Have students just watch so they have a general idea about the video. Main task. Play a role. The teacher offers students a very short summary of the film, just to go over the essential information. Students are invited to role play. The class is divided into 4 groups. Each group is invited to work together and do the task. Hercules is your deskmate. Imagine a dialogue with him. The groups come in front of the class and present the other groups their tasks. Post-task. The Angel and the Devil. Hercules is in a dilemma and needs to make a decision. The student playing Hercules is sitting in a chair. 2 people representing thoughts from his head stand behind him and speak aloud in the first person singular. They advocate opposing views.